Oh shit. You better fucking... Oh fuck, man. Was that Nate?
No.
That's not Nate?
No, but I'm not gonna fucking with now.
Oh, he's smart. Wow, dude. Oh, Jake's about it. Jake will catch him. If that's a stock R32, they're slow. That fucking R32's gone. He's so scared, bro. Oh shit. I bet he's so scared right now. I know I would have been. Fucking squad.